guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited when I get this box. Today I have my August Smartass Sass. Do you want to see what this month's brings? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received August Smartass Sass. I do need to disclaimer that during this video, you may hear foul language because this is a sassy box and some of the items or verbiage in here might use profanity that I will be reading out loud. So if you do not like cuss words in general or you have little ones around you, earmuffs, because you never know what's going to come out of this mouth during this type of video. Now that that's said, let's go ahead and see what this month is. Now, if you do not know about Smartass Sass, they have 3 different subscription boxes ranging from just the shirt that they do, which is $15.95 a month. You can do the subscription of everything in here but the shirt for $34.95, or you can do everything that I get, which is the shirt and the goodies, for $49.95. Now, shipping is an additional fee, and we love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from the website. Most of their products that they have in their boxes are available to purchase on their website, and they also do have like one-time limited type boxes that you could purchase that are themed specifically, that you can buy just a one-time box if you want for yourself, for a gift. Christmas is coming up, so that is awesome. But I'm so excited because this month, that's right, we're doing another giveaway with this month. This month, they did send me an additional box. This one is going to have everything inside. This will be the middle one without a t-shirt in it because we don't know who is going to win and what size shirt they would have. So this is going to be everything but the shirt box that's in here. And I will go over everything and tell you how to enter when I'm done unboxing this. And if you do like the contents that are inside and you want to enter in, then I'll be able to tell you. So let's go ahead and dive on in and get into this box. I am so excited. So excited, you guys. Let's cut the tape. And it says classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. Well-behaved women seldom make history. And my all-time favorite, drop it like it's hot, but not literally. It's fragile. And I love the colors, of course. So let's get in here and see. So they do have their card right on top. And this one goes over the shirt, and there are the products. So this right here, like I said, goes over the shirt. So if you were to just buy the shirt, then you would have this paper right here that goes over the shirt, and it is "The struggle is real." So now that I said what it says, let me pull that out first. And again, if you got just the shirt subscription for the $15.95, then this is the shirt that you would be getting. So let's see here. The struggle is real. How cool. And their shirts, you guys, are so soft. I love these shirts. They're so comfortable, so soft, very wearable for anything. And they always give you cool different colors with the really neat. Last month was Sasshole. I love that shirt. So there is the shirt for this month, which I'm loving. Then here is the card for this month, and it says adulting is hard. That is our theme. Now it does give us a little sneak peek for next month. Next month, September's theme is rise and grind. Next month is all about getting that ass out of bed and hustling hard. September's goodies will help you slay all day. Hustle mode. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I just love this box. Okay, so right on top we have is this right here. I have to do what? A to-do list pad for keeping my crazy long list of things that I have to do A list that never gets any shorter and includes so many dang dull items like pick up dewormer for the cat and call dentist. When counting my piles of money and arranging lunch with the president would be so much more interesting, and take a very long nap or eat scones with Devonshire cream would be so much more delicious. If this were the case, my list would be like thrilling little novels or guidelines on how to live a perfect life. And in fact, that's how I'm going to start making lists, even if I have to lie a little. That was a whole lot of verbiage right there. How cute. So this is, I have to do what? This to-do notepad tells it like it is while keeping track of your daily must-dos, should-dos, and probably not gonna happen. Own your truth and check it off your tasks with ease. 5 by 8 inches, 60 sheets valued at $7.99 from knockknockstuff.com. Use code SASS, SASS 20 for 20% off on their website. And that's knockknockstuff.com. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Let your inner truth out. Okay, so it says I have to do what I must do, what I should do, what I probably won't do. There's the date, thumbs down, fingers crossed, or thumbs up. So that's what that looks like right there. And that's how you're gonna tell if you did it, if you didn't do it, or if you really wanted to do it. So there's item number 1, again, valued at $7.99. Right on top now, it says, I cannot adult today. Closed. Those socks are so stinking cute. Let me get these out. I can't adult today, and tomorrow doesn't look good either. We can never get enough of PBK's knit socks. Stay cozy during your next day off. Socks are 65% cotton, 33% nylon, and 2% spandex. One size fits most. $12. Look how cute. I cannot adult today. Clothes. And the top says, let's see. Oh, and then the other side looks like that on the inside. There's like a little cat looking out the window. And then the top of the foot, let's get this where we can see what that says. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. So that's the rest of the top. So those are really cute socks, you guys. See, I just love a lot of people think this box is overpriced, but they find the neatest and coolest sassy stuff that you can't just go and find anywhere. I've never seen anything like any of these items in their boxes. And for that and the content that's inside, I think it is definitely worth it. The value is always there, and they don't overprice things. Like some boxes will tell you an item is $20 and you look it up, it's $5. Like Smartass and Sass doesn't do that. They stay true to their pricing, and I do appreciate that. So here is a pair of socks that I do think are amazingly cute. And that, if you wanted to check them out, Amazon.com/primitives by Kathy. And you can check out, I guess, the things that they sell on Amazon. So next is adulting for the win. Somehow made it through another week at work. That's awesome. I can add this to another one that I've gotten from them. I think my first box, I got a Best Bitch Award or something like that. I have it hanging up in my bedroom, but that is really cute. So there is that award. And if you gave it to somebody as a gift, you can put who you're awarding it to on the back. It says awarded to and awarded by. And that is just really cute. Survived another work week ribbon from Adulting FTW. This is valued at $5, and you can use SASS, SASS 20 for 20% off on adultingftw.com. Next we have, this looks like a little pin. It says, the boss babe behind Holly oddly uses the brand as a way to get things off her chest, which typically results in items with phrases like, I'd rather be at home and too busy for your bullshit. Holly's designs are filled with personality that speaks to our snarky hearts, valued at $10. Use code SASSYHOLLY, SASSYHOLLY, for 20% off at Holly Oddly, HOLLYODDLY.com. So there is the pin. It has 2 points. You can hang this on your bag. You can hang this on your purse. You can put this on your clothes. You can put this anywhere. And it says, let's overthink this one more time. That is so cute. So that's again, that again is $10. Then they always do like to put in a set of sticky notes, and I do hear that they put the sticky notes in. I don't know if it's a mandatory thing or something they do every now and then, but in the shirt box, I've seen unboxings where they get the shirt and they get one of these as well. So this is their collectible Sassy Stickies by Smartass Sass. This is design number 4. This is valued at $3, and it says, I'm an adult, but not like a real adult. That is so cute. And these are 3x3 pad, includes 50 sheets. Keep track of your responsibilities when you're doing your best at adulting. The struggle is real. And this is printed on Post-it note branded paper. And these, since these are from Smartass Sass, these should be available to purchase directly from their website because it's from them. I love their sticky notes, you guys. I've had some really cool ones. All right, so now we have, ooh, just like a wine glass. Instant Wit. How cute is that? So we have Instant Wit. This is valued at $20. Instant Wit Swig. Oh my goodness. Instant Wit Swig wine tumbler from Smartass Sass. Sometimes you just need a traveling wine tumbler. This Swig brand tumbler has a stainless steel exterior with a polypropylene lid, I'm not sure, there, and a liner. This tumbler can fit a full 14 ounces of your favorite beverage and is BPA free. Wash hand only, valued at $20. Again, Smartass Sass. So I'm going to assume you could probably get this directly from their website if they still have them available. But you have the lid that fits, ooh, nice and tight on there. That's nice. And then you have the cleaning instructions and to wash by hand. This is a very good size cup. That is larger than most that you find. So I like that. Bigger the better when it comes to my wine. And it does have a little grip right here, so when you set it down, it's not going to slide or anything like that. So I do appreciate that. That is very, very cute. So we have that, again, $20. And then the last item in here is, this is one I saw on their spoiler and I thought that was the cutest thing. So this is a bag. It has actual leather straps. So that's nice. And then it says, the only thing holding my shit together is this bag. And it does have a gold line, like a shiny gold metallic square that goes around the whole entire words. And then the words are in black. The back is plain and there's the front. So this guy right here says, holding my shit together tote from Fun Club. This bag is 100% accurate. Cotton tote bag with light brown, I say fox, but somebody told me it's supposed to be like faux or something like that. Some kind of not real leather handle and gold metallic printing, 15 by 16.5. The perfect size for holding your shit together. Valued at $20. Use code SMARTASS for 20% off at shopfunclub.com. That is just so cute. The only thing holding my shit together is this bag. Yeah, that's about right. So that is everything that came in this. Again, we have this for $20. We have this for $20. We have the sticky notes. We have the ribbon. We have the pin. The really cool socks. This to do or not to do list. And this shirt. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. The total retail value is going to be right here for the box, my box. So now, if you like these items and you would like to enter in to win one of these boxes for yourself, again, it's not going to have the shirt, but it'll have everything else. So let me go ahead and just peek in here, make sure everything is included, because I would hate to just slap your label on here, send it to you, and something be a little different than what I'm saying. So when you open it, here will be your card. There is your ribbon, the to-do or not to do, your socks, the sticky notes, the hold my shit together bag, and here is the wine glass. So everything is in there again, minus the shirt. And yeah, the pin is in there. Everything is in there. So let me just put this back in here and close this up, and I will tape this back, and this will be shipped to one of you guys. So if you would like to enter into this, it'll be the same as all my other giveaways, nice, simple, and easy. You must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, to show my appreciation to you that are actively and positively supporting me and my channel. I want to give back and show my appreciation to you. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and then leave one comment down below. In that comment, you must have the words "enter me," and let me know what you are most excited about in this box. Is it going to be the notepad, the socks, the wine or beverage drink, the sticky notes, the ribbon, the pin? What is it that you are most excited about receiving from this box, if this is what you receive? And you must have a United States residence to ship them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm mailing them to a United States address to help me cut down on shipping. And you need to be over the age of 18. If not, have a parent, legal guardian, or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you. That's it. Be subscribed, like, comment, put the words "enter me," and tell me which item you're most excited about receiving that would be in your box if you win. Be over the age of 18 and have United States residence. That is all. I will have this run for 3 weeks. I will have the end date down below in the description box if you want to know exactly when it ends. It will end on that specific date, and then I will have a random comment picker choose a comment that says the word "enter me," and as long as you have which item you're most excited about, I will comment to your comment. After 48 hours, if I don't hear back from you to claim this prize, then I will be forced to pick another winner. That new winner will have 48 hours as well, and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. So in my description box, I will say so-and-so is a new winner, has 48 hours to confirm. Once I have confirmed and I do have them and everything checks out, I will put confirmed, and then you'll know it's completely closed, the winner has been chosen, and the prize is on its way to them. So yeah, I do still have my 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, and I think I do have another one open too. I can't remember. I've had a lot of them going on this month, and I still have one more that's in the bank ready to load, but it just I haven't put that up just yet because I have all these other ones going on. So yeah, so that is all. So 48 hours once I comment to your comment to claim your prize, and if not, I will be picking another winner per my rules. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, comment down below, let me know how you like this box. Do you get this box? You on the fence with this box? I really love this box. When I see this pretty teal box being delivered, and the last 2 months seeing 2 of them on my desk, it brings me so much joy because then I get to actually share one with one of you guys. So I am so excited that they did that, and I get to pass that down to you, down. I get to pass that now down to you. So that is everything that I have for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.